Some pistols are best suited for shooters with smaller hand sizes. Pistols with narrow grip allows you a more comfortable hold and better control of your firearm. Pistols with short trigger reach are also very good for those with smaller hand sizes, as they enable you to access the trigger easily without straining your fingers. These are just a few important aspects to consider. When buying a pistol, it's important to consider your hand size, except if you want to end up purchasing a pistol that won't be comfortable for you. On that ground, we've decided to make this video to unveil the 6 best pistols for those with smaller hand sizes. To spice things up a little bit for you, we have a bonus tip on how you can improve your shooting skills somewhere in this video. Trust me, you're gonna love it. So now, let's talk about them guns. A mind-blowing pistol and crazy compact is the 6 Hour P365. It's an excellent concealed carry pistol for those with smaller hands, offering a variety of features that make it comfortable, easy to control, and highly effective. First and foremost, the grip of the P365 is designed to be comfortable for individuals with smaller hands. Its textured surface provides a secure hold even in wet conditions, while the slim profile of the grip makes it easy to control and reduces the distance needed to reach the trigger. This makes the P365 an ideal choice for those with smaller hands who may struggle to find a comfortable grip on larger pistols. The P365 also boasts a high magazine capacity, with a standard magazine holding 10+1 rounds and optional 12+1 and 15+1 extended magazines available. This provides ample firepower for self-defense, making the P365 an excellent choice for those who want a small pistol that can still pack a punch. In addition to its comfortable grip and high magazine capacity, the P365 is also lightweight and easy to carry, making it an ideal choice for concealed carry. Its small size makes it easy to conceal and comfortable to carry all day, while its smooth and consistent trigger pull makes it a pleasure to shoot, even for those with less hand strength. Both the Glock 26 and Glock 43 are worth every penny in your wallet if you've got small hands and are looking to put some buck on pistols that will make shooting more enjoyable for you. The Glock 26, also known as the Baby Glock, is a subcompact pistol that's been a popular choice for concealed carry for many years. While it has a slightly larger grip than the Glock 43, it still offers a comfortable hold for smaller hands. The textured surface on the grip provides a secure hold even in less than ideal conditions. The Glock 26 also boasts a higher magazine capacity than its counterpart, holding up to 10+1 rounds. On the other hand, the Glock 43 is an even more compact pistol, making it an excellent choice for those with smaller hands. Its smaller grip is comfortable and easy to control, while its lightweight design makes it a breeze to carry all day. The Glock 43 has a lower magazine capacity, holding up to 6+1 rounds, but this can be a worthwhile trade-off for increased comfort and concealability. Ultimately, whether you choose the Glock 26 or Glock 43, you'll get a reliable and accurate pistol well suited for individuals with smaller hands. When it comes to pistols designed for smaller hands, the Smith & Wesson M&P Shield Easy 9mm stands out as a popular choice. This compact, easy-to-operate pistol is designed with several features that make it a great option for those with smaller hands. The grip of the pistol has been designed to be comfortable for smaller hands, and the texture provides a secure hold even in wet conditions. The slim profile of the grip makes it easier to control the pistol and reduces the distance needed to reach the trigger, making it ideal for those with smaller hands. The M&P Shield Easy 9mm also has a low-profile thumb safety that's easy to reach and operate with a smaller hand. The magazine release button is also within easy reach and requires minimal pressure to activate. The reduced recoil of the 9mm cartridge also makes the M&P Shield Easy 9mm an ideal choice for those who are more sensitive to recoil. Just a little tip: if you're looking to improve your shooting skills, a great tip is to focus on mastering target transitions. By seamlessly transitioning between targets, you'll be able to shoot faster and more accurately, making you a more effective shooter in competitive and defensive situations. You can have a problem with the Ruger LCP2 whether you've got small or big hands. It's a pistol so compact it can fit any hand size. With this pistol, you certainly don't have to worry about how small your hands are because it would be a perfect fit. The gun is small and lightweight, weighing only 10.6 ounces, which makes it very easy to carry. The compact grip is ergonomically designed, providing a comfortable grip for smaller hands, so you're getting a pistol that was designed specifically to accommodate smaller hands. Other important areas of this pistol are the smooth and consistent trigger pull, which allows for accurate shooting, and the low recoil design, which makes it comfortable to shoot for extended periods. It also has fixed sights, which are easy to align and provide quick target acquisition. Overall, this gun that fits your hand size shoots well. If there's one pistol widely coveted by those with smaller hands, it's the Walther CCP M2. The Walther CCP M2 is a sleek, ergonomically designed compact pistol known for its comfortable grip and reduced recoil, which makes it a great option for smaller hands. The pistol was essentially designed for ergonomics and compactness, so you can be sure it'll fit your tiny hands. With its soft-coil, gas-delayed blowback system, the CCP M2 is designed to reduce muzzle flip and felt recoil, allowing for more accurate and comfortable shooting, even for those with less hand strength or simply smaller hands. Its slim profile and textured grip make it easy to control and manage, while the 3.5-inch barrel provides ample accuracy for self-defense situations. The CCP M2 also features an ambidextrous magazine release and a cross-block trigger safety, making it a safe and reliable choice for concealed carry. The CCP M2's user-friendly design and low recoil make it a great option for those who are looking for a compact, easy-to-handle pistol, which is ideal for smaller hand sizes. If you had to worry too much about getting the pistol that fits your hand perfectly because they're so small, the Car CW9 is a great place to look. It's a compact, single-stack 9mm pistol that's perfect for concealed carry. It's got a sleek, no-nonsense design and is extremely lightweight, which makes it a breeze to carry around all day. The grip is what makes it perfect for smaller hands. It's not too bulky, so you'll have no problem getting a firm hold of it. Plus, the textured finish on the grip ensures that it won't slip out of your hand even if things get a little sweaty. Apart from the grip, one of the most amazing things about the Car CW9 is its accuracy. This little pistol packs a punch and can hold its own against some of the bigger boys on the range. And with a 7+1 capacity, you've got enough firepower to handle most situations. And that's going to be all for the 6 best pistols for small hands in 2024. So what do you think about these pistols? Are they really good for those with smaller hand sizes, or are there better ones out there? Also, do you have any experience using these pistols? Let us know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, do give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. Don't forget to also share it with your friends and family, as this list might contain their next best pistol. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you again later.